In the brain, every thought sparks a wildfire of connections as neurons fire in patterns scientists are only beginning to map. They share space with glial cells that act like busy librarians, organizing signals and pruning unnecessary paths to keep memory sharp. Deep inside, the brain stores memories not as single files but as distributed networks that can reassemble feelings after decades. Sleep acts like a nightly archive, replaying days to solidify skills while keeping the brain flexible. Across this hidden cathedrals of cortex, the brain remains a frontier where science unfolds one spark at a time.